A beautiful and lovely morning to all my dear students of class 6th. Welcome to another class of English grammar. In this video, I am going to explain more about prepositions. Before beginning, you must know what are prepositions. So, what is a preposition? So, here's the definition of a preposition. A word placed before a noun or pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands is called preposition. Now we'll learn more about prepositions. As we have learned that prepositions show the relation between two things. Preposition may bring different kinds of relational meanings. When it is used, it appears before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation one stands in regard to the other. Let's see them in their functions. So comparing at, on, in with reference to time. When are they starting the party? At 6 o'clock. The party is at 6 o'clock this evening. My aunt came home on Sunday. Our excursion will be in October. So, the preposition at is used to indicate the time of the day. We can say at 10 this morning, at noon, at lunchtime, etc. We can discuss this at lunchtime. The principal is busy at the moment. I am working out the problem at present. We have to attend a birthday party and a wedding ceremony at the same time. How is it possible? These are common expressions used very often. The preposition on is used to indicate days and dates. We can say on Sunday or Sundays, on 1st of April, on Gandhi Jayanti, etc. On Sundays, we have our singing practice. On 1st of April, we try to trick each other. On Gandhi Jayanti, we have a special meeting with the slum dwellers. When we are talking about long periods of time, such as months, years, or seasons, we use in. So, we can say in June, in 2014, in the 21st century, in the past, etc. In June, we can expect the monsoon. In 2014, they are planning to revise the syllabus. Even in the 21st century, we have not solved the problem of starvation. Note, don't use at, on, in before last, next, this or every. We have bought this house last year. They say this prayer every morning. We have a creative workshop this summer. Number 4, don't forget to meet me next week. Don't forget. Now, prepositions at with reference to place. The preposition at may show the relation of the subject to a place. Let us take some examples. I saw you waiting at the bus stop. We will be at the bird sanctuary to photograph the migratory birds. At may also means towards, showing direction. Australians look at the southern sky as they are down under. Next example, if you look at the living condition of the Adivasis, you will be moved to tears. At may also show a state of being. Example, they are at work, you can't see them now. The participants are at their camp doing a project on conservation. in. We use in when we need to refer to a position in a large area. The tiger is living well protected in the sanctuary. You can see me in the library this afternoon. In is used when we think of a place where there is something specific. The green tree frog can be found only in the canopy of tropical trees. Sometimes in is used to show a state or a situation. We have come in faith and we believe in peaceful settlement. If you take it in the right spirit, everything will look good. We use in when we are talking about a time lapse. We spent all our savings in 1 month. We use in to refer to a course. When I grow up, I want to do my master's in child psychology. When we want to show a purpose, we can use in. For example, this certificate is given in recognition of your concern for the poor people. No, not there. On. In preposition, on is used to show the subject's higher position in relation to the object with which it is in contact. Keep the candle on the table, not under it. On is used to show something which is attached to another. For example, there are times when one feels like a puppet on a string. On can indicate what one carries or has. How much do you have on you? Shall we go for a party? When we want to show something is close or on the side of another, such as a river or a sea, we use on. On this side of the river lived the Adivasis who were removed by big powers. We use on to show a specific time or date. The function is on Friday, the 13th April. Sometimes when we want to refer to a program played through a medium, we use on. For example, there is an interesting program on Discovery Channel tonight. So my dear students, these are the exercises which I had already explained in the Zoom class. So note down very neatly in your English grammar textbook. So this was all for today. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you all.